guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on Ishow Hair, whether it be Ishow or I know. Also, I'm going to be showing you how to bleach your knots and tint your lace at the same time. So the packaging was nothing special, you guys, and with COVID going on, I just snatched it right off. It was not even a bubble mailer, and I am a packaging girl. Like, I love packaging, and this packaging did not impress me at all. So inside of the package was just this, like this, and this is supposed to be a 150% density lace front curly wig. We shall see what it's giving. So they did give free wig cap. And this is their 20-inch. By the way, guys, it's a 13 by 4. So right out of the packaging, it's your regular lace. It does have a fishy smell to it. And it's looking like it may be true to length. I do like the curl pattern on here. So yeah, 13 by 4. So you're not getting much parting space. You can do a middle part or a flip over method with this here. So I gotta get this smell off of here. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so don't talk about my coloring bow, but this is what I'm using. My son's old little bow that he doesn't use anymore. He is now 10 years old. I'm going to be using the Claro Colada colors. This lifts up to 7 volumes. I'm sorry, 7 levels. And I'm going to be pairing it with the Claro 30 volume developer. And I also have my brown semi-permanent dye that I had to concoct together. I'm going to do about 2 scoops of this. So once I have it at the consistency that I want, which would be thick like this and slightly running, I'm going to go ahead and add in that semi-color that I showed you guys earlier. And I'm just going to add little by little. And this is the color that I have come up with once I mix the lightener along with my semi-dye.
Doing crazy dreaming.
kind of let you know if it's Ishow or I know. For me, overall, it's an Ishow. However, you'll see in this video that the wig came with a smell to it. She woo child. But I doctored her up. And then I soaked her in some Downy fabric softener. After the Downy fabric softener, well, I actually put it in the microwave in a plastic bag. That's a thing of mine that I do with some wigs, to soften them up and to freshen them up after disinfecting them. So after that, I went ahead and I went in with my regular smackler silicone conditioning mix and let her air dry outside on the balcony, child. And she is cute after all of that. But she is cute. So far as the texture, I love the texture. She's giving me Diana Ross, child. Like I feel like Miss Diana. This is 150% density wig, lace front wig. It did melt and lay good, as you can see, and I only used it did melt and lay good, and I only used the Got to Be Glue spray. I chose the flip over method because it is a 13 by 4 inch parting space, and me personally, I like a lot of parting space because I got a big forehead. So the parting space for me, you could do a part, you know, if you got a little more smaller head than mine. So yeah, if you have a smaller head than mine, then you could part her, but this is how far she reaches back. And I don't know, I like big hair. So and even though I have a big forehead, I feel like I would wear her straight back with like a cute headband. You can definitely put her up in a pony and wear your half up, half down, which will be very, very, very cute. Or, you know, you can flip over to whichever side you prefer. I prefer the right side. I feel like that's my good side for some reason. All my parts end up on the right side. But yeah, so you can wear her many different ways. She is very multifunctional, okay? And yeah, so for me, it's going to be an Ishow. Even though I had to, excuse me, I'm sorry, I got hair in my eye. Even though I had to go in, and I didn't have to do much plucking. I just tweezed, just very minimum. And it really doesn't have much shedding. Like, I'm running my fingers through this, and I don't have no shedding. So that's a plus too. But I'm sorry, guys. I'm looking in on my daughter on the camera. Because if she get up, party over. Hold on. Gotta film during my nap time. During the nap time, gotta fit it in. Gotta try to squeeze a nap in. It's a lot. And yeah, she still sleeps, so we good. Okay, so yeah, for me, it's going to be an Ishow. Even though I had to get rid of that fishy, woo-woo, fishy smell. She smells marvelous now, honey. And her texture is giving, like I said, Miss Diana, I feel like I'm exotic. Like, girl, listen. She is here. So I'm here for it. I'm just going to send them a nice little polite email like, listen, the smell got to go. I don't know what y'all doing over there. If it's like a seashore nearby or whatever. But we need to get that thing under control. But this is the wig, and I love it. I love it. I like it a lot. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below in the description bar what you think of this wig. Is it an Ishow or an I know for you? All right now. Stay tuned for the next episode.